when you click on Scoreboard, the default view is the graph view, which shows the performance measures and any reflects any of the data that's been entered, and displaying it as a graph. If you want to edit this information, you click on Switch to Grid View and say, let's go to total cancellation encounters. Um, because this has been established, you can basically just fill in any data points needed to change the graph. Each of these things are editable. The type of measures, the color of the measure, the type of the measure, or it's the type of graph. It can be either a line or a bar view. The unit tends to be, is it a number or a percentage or a dollar amount? And that'd be the same for, again, anything under the unit column. You can add additional columns as well if you have more data points, but just editing or filling that in to change other elements of the measure. You just click on Edit Grid, and then you can see the title. This is what we're measuring. You can identify in this the specific goal that's established, the duration type. In this case, it's monthly, the starting year. All these are drop downs. You can have multiple years, or you can archive the item and start new, say in the beginning of a calendar year or fiscal year, starting month. If you want a total column, you can check that, and then just make sure you click on Save, and that saves all that information. So when you go back to the graph view, again, it's basically a data visualization of any of the information that has been entered into this. So fundamentally, this is the way that we uh, update the existing measures. If I want to add a new measure, say to honoring the Ho Chunk Way, I just click on this edit icon, click on add goal, and again, you see that same template that you can build out, um, very easily. And just as long as you save it, it will then exhibit that data into the overall graph. So uh, please let me know if you have any particular questions. But we hope this is quite intuitive. Again, the purpose is not to do advanced calculations, primarily